Find your seat and settle down into a restful but strong position. Gently close your eyes. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face, smoothing out any tension in your facial muscles. Keeping your spine straight. And become aware of the sensations in your body. You can observe the sensations of breathing. Or you can simply scan through your body and just noticing any sensation that may arise. Sensation of hot or cold, or any tingling, tension. Gross or subtle sensations on or above the skin. In today's meditation, we're going to cycle through the chakras. The chakras are imagined to be energy centers at various points in the body, and they each represent different stages of development and are associated with psychological attributes as well as elements. So to begin, draw your awareness to your spine. And starting from the crown of your head, travel slowly and incrementally down your spine until you reach the very bottom of your spinal cord. And once you reach that point, simply rest your awareness there at the very base of your spine. This is the first chakra, known as the root chakra. And this one is responsible for your grounding and your basic physiological needs. So as you focus on this root chakra, see if you can experience the sense of grounding as the base of the spine pulls you towards the earth. And imagine a spark of light, a bluish white light at this root chakra at the base of the spine. Now, allow this light, this bluish white, energetic light, to travel slowly up your spine until it comes to about the area of your pelvis, where your pubic bone is in the front of your body and the sacrum to the back of your body. This is where you can find Svadhisthana, the sacral chakra. It's responsible for your sexuality, creativity, and it's associated with water. So imagine this chakral center and place the bluish white light in this space. Feeling your sacral chakra and allowing the light to energize it. Now continue traveling, allowing this bluish white light to travel further up your spine until it reaches about the height of your navel. This is the residence of the Manipura chakra, which is also sort of the solar chakra. It's associated with ambition, success, the ego, achievement, and action. It's the fire element. So allow this bluish white light to rest here and activate the Manipura chakra. Now observe as this bluish white light continues traveling up your spine and finally resting around the heart center. The Anahata chakra, or heart chakra, is of course the center of love. Allow this light to rest and heal and activate your heart center. Filling yourself with love and compassion and empathy. Now allow the light to travel further up the spine, and it stops again at your throat, the Vishuddhi chakra or throat chakra. Is concerned with higher ideas, communication, space. And allow again this bluish white light to remain here for a few moments, activating your throat chakra. Now allow this light to travel further up your head until it reaches the space between your eyebrows. This is the home of Ajna chakra, otherwise known as the third eye. It regulates your intuition. It is a source of wisdom and the seat of knowledge. Allow the bluish-white light here to activate the third eye and your deep intuition. And finally, continue allowing this bluish-white light to travel up to the crown of your head. The crown chakra, or Sahasrara, is the transcendent chakra. It is a combination of all things, all colors. It is the universe. It is source. It is enlightenment. Now imagine this bluish-white light simultaneously in each of your 7 chakras, from the crown of the head all the way down through the third eye, the throat, the heart, the navel, the sex center, and the root of the spine. Continuous connection between the 7 chakras. This bluish-white light at the center of each, brighter or dimmer depending on the level of activation. Now allow them all to become activated, shining brightly. Okay, let go, release, relax, remove all trying, sitting quietly with your eyes closed. Spend this last moment just recalling the feelings of the chakras. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. And just a note that the idea of chakras may seem a foreign or strange concept to some of you. It's debatable whether they are actually there, but they do serve as an excellent reference to the evolution of your spirit, as the chakras can also be divided into the lower 3 chakras and the upper 4 chakras. And depending on where you are in life and where you are in your spiritual development, you will emphasize one or more of the chakras over others. Think of them less as physical points in your body and more as reference points for your psychological and spiritual development. And try to be aware of that as you go about your life. Be aware of which chakral concepts or principles you are acting from in a given situation. And I'll see you here for the next meditation.